Hello guys, hello, my name is Yelena, welcome back to my channel. Let's make eclairs today. So I have already pot ready and I have butter laying inside. So we're gonna need 2 sticks of butter and then I'm gonna add my sugar and salt. And I'm gonna use milk. The milk I'm using is 2% fat in there. Okay, now make sure we already have our eggs cracked and ready to go, and the flour. Okay, let's start cooking. So we're gonna put it on the stove and we're gonna bring it to boil. So to help that out, I'm gonna break my butter a little bit so it's gonna take less time. And again, my flour is right next to me. All right, so I'll just help to break butter quickly. All right, make sure your spatula can take high temperature so it doesn't melt on you. Very important. All right, so now we see start bubbling, so we're close to boiling. And now it's important moment. See, we're almost ready. So go ahead, have your flour. And as soon as it starts bubbling, right before it starts boiling, go ahead and dump all your flour very quickly and start mixing it really quick. Quick, mix very vigorously. Do not let it form big blob and cook it in one bowl. So keep mixing, fast. See how I'm doing circles and try to rub it off the bottom of the pot so it doesn't stick to the bottom right away. And keep working on it. If you see any flour spots in the mixture, try to break them up right away. Your hand will get tired, but just keep working at it. So this is very important moment of making eclairs. All right, so now since our mixture all incorporated, see it's becoming very thick, so we're gonna continue to do exact same movement, kind of spread it, turn it for about 3 minutes. So our mission is to see it starts sticking to the bottom. That's okay, as long as it's not burning, we're good. So we're gonna try to evaporate liquid from our dough as much as we can. All right, so it will be thicker and kind of drier mixture. All right, so see how it's stuck to the bottom? Nice and thick. So that's what we're looking for. Okay, so transfer it now to the mixer bowl. Right here I have in there. And of course we already pre-cracked our eggs and we're ready to go. All right, so start your mixer. And I'm gonna start adding eggs 1, 2 at a time, not all together. See, right now our mixture is all together. Now you add eggs and see how it starts breaking apart. Continue mix and it will slowly come back together. Watch. See? As soon as it comes together, go ahead, add another egg or 2. See, it starts breaking apart again. See, like little pieces. Now watch, it will start come back together. See it getting smooth. Okay, so add more egg. Here we go. And continue to do so until you use all your eggs. Okay. Sorry guys, my countertop is a mess. I have all this butter here warming up ready for my other project. lots of cooking this week in the kitchen. This is my unsalted butter that I always use for my baking. All right, back to mixture. Okay, so that's what we're looking for, nice and thick. If I take it on a spatula, see how it slowly comes off. All right, it's ready to go. Let's go ahead, take it out of the bowl. Okay, and I already started, but all I did is just put some mixture in a large pastry bag, and I cut big hole out of it, like so. And see, like large hole. And just squeeze it on a parchment paper, the size that you need. And here's the ones I'm already making. So I'm making them pretty large. All right, so just squeeze real good and make sure it comes out fat, like a sausage. So I'm do once, and I do one more time, like that. Okay. So pretty easy, and you can make them smaller if you need to. I just like mine nice and big, see, compared to my hand. So they're pretty large and about what, 2.5 fingers wide. Yeah. All right, at this point, I keep them on a parchment paper. You can actually put them in the freezer and let them be frozen and then put them in a freezer safe container, or if you want them eat at once, you can bake them right away. I'm gonna bake just a few of them right now in a regular oven temperature at 350 for about 40 minutes, and we'll come back. All right, so that is what they should look like, all nice and brown, and they don't stick to the paper at all. See, they move very easy, still hot. Just like that. If your oven bakes uneven, go ahead, turn them halfway on a tray, and that will work. And after they cool off for you, we're gonna fill them with custard. I'm gonna link a recipe in the description box. I have a recipe on my channel how I make my custard. So I'm gonna use this little tip especially for design for filling the pastry. And I'm gonna put my custard in a bag. Like so. Okay. And then you're gonna fill your eclairs. So I'll go from one side, squeeze some, and I'll go from the other side. Just like that. And continue until you fill them all, as much or as little as you like. One, and from another one. And then I'll just warmed up ganache, and I'll just spread over ganache. You can do chocolate ganache, you can do milk chocolate, you can dip them in caramel, that's completely up to you. And for filling, of course, you can do completely your own. This is just what I'm doing for today. And this is what they look like when they're done. They look so pretty and so tasty. The filling makes them not too sweet. So, and of course, chocolate makes them very rich. So it's very decadent to my taste. Alright, so I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and we'll see you next time. Bye, love you so much.